Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So in this tutorial I will show you how you easily can create a real estate website with OptimizePress. So here we are at the dashboard. You can go to OptimizePress and create a new page, or you can, when you are on the dashboard, you can also click here, create new page. Before moving on in this tutorial, I just want to mention that this tutorial is great if you are a solo real estate agent, or if you have an agency. Anyhow, here you can find different themes you can use. Here we have found says real estate inspired to showcase new properties. And what is great about this builder is that you don't need to have any knowledge about coding or such. For different web pages, you can choose which theme you want to be using, and I click the blue button before here about where it says view collection. And if you want to use, for instance, this page, you can click on use this page, or if you want to preview it, the template, you can do so, but I'm gonna choose use this template. So here you're gonna name your page. And here you can choose create new page or post or page. You're gonna have it as page, and then we simply click on create page. Click on edit with OptimizePress. Here we are at the page we have chosen. You can of course edit any text or image any way you want. If you have an image of something, if you have created a ebook that you want to give away for free, then you can just edit this image, of course, and the button, and the text on the button, and so on. Just click on what you want to change. Here's a toolbar popping up. You can change things. And let's go down. Yeah, here you have different images you can change as well, and text. You can change it in any way you want, of course. You can add a new section, and here's your contact information with social media buttons. And when it comes to connecting Autorespond, I'm not going to show that in detail, but I will leave a tutorial on that, a video tutorial, a shortcut to that at the end of this video. And it's quite easy. I will show in that tutorial how to add a Weber, and if you don't use the Weber, you can still connect a lot of other different autoresponders. It's an easy manner. For instance, when you click on the link here, you can edit the link properties, show pop-up overlay, pop overlay trigger, and free guide overlay. for instance. You can choose to have none of that overlay. You can create an opt-in overlay like that, clicking there. You can choose to have none of that overlay. You can create an opt-in overlay like that, clicking there. Here's a pop-up you can have showing, and so on. So, and here's the setting, how to animation background pop-up border and so on. Maybe it seems a bit not when you start using it. So here's where you enter your email. People enter their email to be on your list. When you mark the whole box with the opt menu popping up, and when you connect your autoresponder, you click this little envelope and just follow the steps, and you can check out the step-by-step steps in the video tutorial. I'm gonna put the thumbnail on this video on, and I also will add that tutorial, add a Weber in the video description. And when you're done with all, satisfied with all your work, then you just click on save. So if you want to get started with this or any type of page with Optimize Press, then you need to click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.